What you know, Gabia Gramak? Oh, Lara Katanda.
What you just do, Nana?
I don't understand you at all. In fact, I believe you've taken more than you can handle.
I want to go to Amanduba.
I'm ready to pay your price.
I will never ever be your wife. I will bring her myself back to your house.
I'm going to deal with Otangele.
Otangele's blood runs in your system.
You know what we castle? So the way people they kill themselves.
I don't want anything that will tamper with my faith.
Hey. Yes! You are preparing me for what?
For the future battle.
Oh.
I'm a man of integrity and a man of integrity.
You don't talk to me anyhow.
So I have a wonderful plans for my people.
Now maybe your campaign manager, your campaign I can't for head.
God will judge you.
No, it must be well for my daughter.
Your palace fall on the village plans that I have.
This is order from the federal, not from me.
Are you not my son?
And so fucking what?
Who is your ego to order me around?
For me to come close to you, there must be a reason.
I will not be feeding you when you are working for other people.
It be like say this councillor thing they confuse people.
He has destroyed the rubbish shop.
Pride goes before a fall. As a honorable member, I want to count what I have done for my people.